Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. The other day I was working on a project where I needed to put even lines on this triangle. So I'm going to put that one right there. I'm going to hit the plus key on the keyboard and I'm going to grab it and set the second one right there. So then the way I normally would do it would take the shift tool and select this other line and then go up to effects and blend them 6 times because I want 6 lines in the middle. But you can see my accelerator was on, but they're even. But then you got to go and break the blend apart. And then these are still a group. So you got to ungroup them. So it's kind of a little bit of a problem. But there's another way to do it. You'll just take your first line and start moving and hold down your shift key. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then put the last one there. So we got 6 lines, and you can always count. You can always select, and you can see we got 6 objects. But if we will take the Alt key and select these 6 lines and go Shift E, hold down the Shift key and hit E, it put them evenly spaced out. They're not grouped together. I can, I didn't really, if you don't need that line, you can delete that line. So it's a lot less hassle. Now, on the other direction, going vertically, use Shift C. And all these are spaced out sporadically. I'm going to hold Shift C down and it equals them all out. And then, of course, you can always hit C to put them all equal in the center of the page or center lined up, no matter where it is. Let's say this one's way out there. You could hit C and then Shift C and it'll evenly space them all out. Anyway, hope that gave you a little bit of insight. Thank you for watching.